Working on a DEWALT 735 planer, had a problem where it was ratcheting and I got this really loud noise as I shut off the planer. Couldn't figure out what it was. Somebody online suggested that it was the rollers. Just change the rollers and that's the problem. They were close. So it turned out that my bushings were actually binding. So this one I've already cleaned and this one is what it looked like. So it was actually this one here that was the issue. But I'm just doing the further maintenance. So this is something that needs to be cleaned regularly. There's a better video on how to take it apart. I won't get into that, but essentially these screws come off. You can pull this out, clean it up with emery cloth. I use some mineral spirits, or other people use acetone. Clean the shaft off and get it cleaned up, something like that. I think the culprit are two things. It's wood or debris getting in between the bushing, and then the rubber seems like it's breaking down a little bit, so maybe it's my bushing that's binding, I'm not sure, but something's getting in there and burning on there and causing it to jam up, not spin freely, and causes my chain to ratchet. So if anyone has that issue, that's your starting point.